Dangerous thunderstorm alert. Yeah, this weird thing looks tropical to me. And you know the tropical storms look like. But anyways, look at this. It's been recording for an hour, 32 minutes. This has got a dangerous thunderstorm alert, which means it actually, quote, very frequent lightning, and it's coming towards us. It actually said, moving towards your location or something like that. I had seen, before all those clouds disappeared out there, I had seen some tiny little spinny things out to the north. This one it's building in. See these tropical thin tall towers here? It's almost like freaking Florida or something. It's definitely got a weird look to it. Like way the freak out there, it's kind of dark. Like way out there. Oh wait, what was that? Did I just see something? I don't know. These are vertical freaking clouds.